Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Peotone, local and long distance movers near me. We provide you with plenty of options for your long distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. We make moving to a new state easier. Whether you're going 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or further, we make the moving process simple. You have enough to worry about. Let us worry about moving the portion for your relocation. An Illinois moving company can make your local move so much easier. Sure, it's a shorter move, so you think you can get it done yourself without much issue. Do you want to recruit family or friends to help you with the heavy lifting? Are you really looking forward to loading up the truck on your own? You can save time and energy with 3 movers. Even a local move can benefit from a top moving company. We make things simple and give you your moving day you can enjoy. It should be exciting as you settle into a new place. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Peotone moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.